Welcome to Mechanic. Today we have our 2013 Mini Cooper here. On this vehicle, we're going to go over the process to be able to replace these lights here. Your two reverse lights and a central brake light. I had previously replaced or showed how to replace this housing in case you need to replace it, as well as the three lights that are in here. One turn indicator, two brake light, and side marker light. And this is your reverse light. These two here, and then a central brake light. Now this is a fairly easy, but you are going to either need to raise up your vehicle a little bit because you got to slide under and to be able to release the clips and just pull out the whole headlight or the light housing from the inside. So coming down here, we're going down under, and then this is the back side of it. Whether you opt to disconnect the cable here, and that's just squeezing the tab and then pulling it back. And then on the bottom side and the top side there are clips, and just pull both of those clips on that one and then both of the clips on this one at the same time, and then you'll be able to pull this out and away. Now if you do need to replace this whole this piece here with the glass, the lens piece, it'll do the same, except you got a tab right here on the bottom and two tabs on the top, and we just pop those open, and then that unit will come out also. So that being said, we have now removed this component and gained access to the lights in there. All these lights are the same, which looks to be a 921. So no matter which one you're replacing, they're all the same size of bulb. So coming up here, just so we can see, we do have this rubber gasket, and so you want to make sure that you have that to put back in there when you put it back together. And then these will just pull straight out and get a new 921 to replace this light bulb or any of these three if you need to replace them. So the two outside ones, your reverse lights, and then a central brake light in the bottom there, or a basically a side marker light to let people know. So there is our housing, and now we literally just roll back under and take it like this and press it in until these clips lock, and then reconnect our electrical connection. So that's how you replace the three lights down here on your vehicle of your 2013 Mini Cooper. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.